Hello viewers, in this video, I am going to cover preprocessor. Let's begin. In the first program, I am going to cover preprocessor directive. Selection directive evaluates expression of if directive. If it is true, then corresponding statements are compiled. If expression of else if directive is evaluated as true, then corresponding statements are compiled. Else statements of else directive are compiled. We can produce user-defined error using error directive. DBMSDB version package has mainly 4 static constants. VERLE version number to check whether database version is less than particular version. VERLE version number release number to check whether database version and release is less than particular version and release. Version to get database version, and release to get database release. In the next program, I am going to cover inquiry directive. We can get line number on which directive appears using PL/SQL line directive. Get name a PL/SQL unit using PL/SQL unit directive. Get scope settings using PL/scope settings directive. We can assign a value to the user-defined inquiry directive using alter session set PL/SQL CC flags equal to value, and get user-defined inquiry using PL/SQL CC flags directive. Get PL/SQL code type using PL/SQL code type directive. Get optimize level using PL/SQL optimize level directive. Get warnings using PL/SQL warnings directive. Get NLS length semantics using NLS length semantics directive. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are preparing for interview, you can buy eBook on Oracle PL/SQL interview questions from the Amazon link given in the description below. Please like this video, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any video updates. Thanks for watching this video.